NFTs and diamonds. Not necessarily a combination you would normally think would pair well together. But this is what is happening with this new project called Diamond Dawn. And I want to talk to you guys about it. The world of NFTs is changing, and it's changing right before our eyes. What we used to view as just, pictures of dogs and cats and digital form and ownership of that has evolved into something much, much more. There's more utility and use case than people actually realized. And this is one of the first of its kind. Now, what this is 333 limited edition art NFTs, each paired with a high quality GIA certified Cape diamond. This will obviously go on private sale on the dates that you see right here. Now, this is a project created by Mike Moldowski and the collaboration of Moldowski Diamonds. Now, what this is going to really focus on and try to show is the power and the ability of decentralized NFT technology to solve the very real problem of certification, fraud, and manipulation in the $100 billion diamond industry. Now, this could be extrapolated and used further. Okay. Now, this is where this project gets really interesting. Just kind of want to talk to you guys a little bit about it. It's going to take part in 4 phases over 6 months. Now, in the first phase, the collector will mine the digital rough stone in Diamond Dawn's virtual mine. Then the 2 further phases is where the collector can evolve the diamond until it reaches the perfection of the digital diamond designed by David Ariu. Now, after this time, the collector can decide whether to keep the virtual diamond, the NFT, or have it transformed into the physical diamond form. Now, if you do get the physical diamond form, that NFT is actually going to be burned, destroyed, completely removed from existence, therefore making the NFTs that exist more valuable, possibly, right? So this is a very interesting take on the use case of NFTs. Now, because NFTs are unique, each individual one, non-fungible token, okay, they are not the same and they cannot be replicated. Now we're seeing this is the first big use case of NFTs, and they could extrapolate this further. Like I mentioned a little earlier in this video, it could be used for things like diplomas. It could be used for plots of land, ownership, right? In the real world. There's many things that could be used or done with NFT technology. And it's something that people haven't seen or really paid much attention to. The world of NFTs is going to be booming. That's the reason why you see different companies taking out on different patents for use cases on NFT. It's actually a budding industry, and it's going to be a big part of what is happening in crypto. It's very interesting to see. And again, maybe it's not your thing. It's not necessarily my thing either, but I see the vision for what may be coming. What we have known over the last, year and a half, 2 years, really, where NFTs have grown, is going to look completely different just a couple years down the line. I'm very excited to see how this plays out, but this is very interesting to see, and I'm really going to enjoy watching how this project itself plays out. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. I'm not saying go dive into this project, but be prepared. NFTs are changing, use cases are changing, and times are going to be different as we move forward into the future. So as always, I appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the video. If you haven't already, show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Again, that way you can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Hope you guys have a great day. We really hope to catch you in the next one.